My name is Stephen Barker. I'm the Chief Executive of the Creative Quarter Company in Nottingham, and we help to manage Sneinton Market. Nottingham City Council led a EU-funded regeneration of the market. It was a former wholesale fruit and veg market which had, let's say, fallen into some state of disrepair. The opportunity came along to refurbish it and create an environment that's just perfect for creative and imaginative businesses. Well, it's been operating for about 3 years up and running fully since the refurbishment. The buildings that we're in now have been massively improved, and they've been turned into units which are usable, but basically it's about the businesses who come in and making them bespoke for whatever it is that they need.
So we're at Simple Clothing and it's Simple Embroidery. So we've been running as a clothing brand for about coming up to 5 years, but we've been in the shop for about a year and 2 months. Yeah, it's just great to have a place to put your clothing and actually have your dream come true. People who come here love the quality, they love what they get, and it's face to face, it's more you can talk about what you actually want to design.
I'm Georgie and this is Whiff Waff Designs. Our funding has been incredibly important because I don't think that I would have made the move when I did with my business. I'd probably still be at home in my spare room as such without that.
There's a Sneinton Market effect that is affecting the local area. It wouldn't have happened without the EU funding. You make an investment like this, you improve somewhere, you attract great businesses and the people who run them to be creative and imaginative and to engage with each other, and then things happen around. Individual shops and restaurants start to pop up in other buildings that were nothing to do with the original scheme. And having somewhere like Sneinton Market that can be the core of the DNA of a project like that is really cool. If we can create more reasons for students, particularly as they graduate, to be better connected with the creative economy, that's more opportunity for them to get placements and internships and find their first job, then they start thinking about creating businesses, and then they're creating jobs for local people too.